Another way to access and launch commands in AutoCAD is by using the command line. If we look at the bottom of the screen, the command line is located right down here. Now the command line is considered old school AutoCAD. This is the way we entered our commands in the old days. The main drawback to using the command line today is that everything must be entered through the keyboard, so it involves a lot of typing. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to try and launch the line command. Now if I want to launch a command through the command line, I can move my cursor right at the end of the command prompt and left click, and I'm going to type in LINE and hit enter. I have just launched the line command. Now if we look at the command line, we can see AutoCAD is asking us to specify first point. The command line is where AutoCAD speaks to us. That's where AutoCAD tells us what it needs in order to complete the command. Now I don't want to talk about the line command just yet, so I'm going to hit my escape key to cancel out. I'm going to enter one more command at the command line. You know, as archaic and cryptic as the command line is, it's still fairly intuitive. If I wanted to draft a circle, all I have to do is type circle and hit enter. I have just launched the circle command. Once again, AutoCAD is telling me what it needs to complete that command. I'm going to hit the escape key to cancel out of this command. Now there are more efficient ways to launch commands nowadays. For the course of these videos, we're going to be using the toolbars and the pull downs. And I don't want to lie to you, Autodesk is in the process of phasing the command line out. It's still with us today, but there's no guarantee that it's going to be around forever. Because if you ask yourself, how many other applications utilize a command line? Well, none. AutoCAD is pretty much it. There are ways in AutoCAD 2008 to turn the command line off, but for the purpose of our videos, we're going to keep the command line on our screen. We won't be using it for entering our commands, but we will refer to it frequently to keep an eye on what AutoCAD needs.